Okay. And I'm giving you something to do, okay? Just wait for a while. Wait, let me give you properly, then start. Don't start now. You have to do only exercise C. Only exercise C. Only this one, this much you have to do. Only this one, exercise C. I hope you can. Is it? I hope it is clear to you. Replace the underline naming word. Okay. From where I'm giving you this. This is a polling worksheet. Okay. This is for only for standard one polling practice worksheet. These are known as polling practice worksheet. So from there I'm giving you. Okay, don't think it is a different book. It is a recommended worksheet for standard one and from Collins worksheet, practice worksheet for the teacher, so then you can practice more and more. So from there I'm giving you question. Okay, so this type of question will be there in the exam. Let me tell you, replace the underlined naming words correctly with he, she or it. It means, can you see the dog? The dog, and under the dog, underline is there. So you have to replace it with he, she or it. He, she or it. Let me tell you, for animal and for thing, we use the pronoun it. For animal and for thing. Is it clear? For animal and for thing, we use the pronoun it, it. And for man, he, and for boy, he, for girl, she. So now do it. And if the underlined word is a thing, thing, thing mane jinish. If it is a thing means non-living thing, you will write it, it. And for animal also write it. Okay, keep in mind. The dog is cute. The dog has a long tail. Yes, Pavan.
Ma'am, I completed. I Paban.
You have completed good, but I think you have written only answer, no? Okay, wait. No need to raise your hand, okay? If you have completed, sit quietly. I'll give you another worksheet. Do fast. Those who are writing the full sentence, do Devarpon, do. You can only write answer like question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also write only answer because you will get the recorded video. So you can also write only answer. Mopoli.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Completed.
What I said, if you have completed, don't raise your hand. Drop. Shubham, don't raise the hand. Upuma,
Completed.
what is this, Baba? Continuously telling you. Don't raise the hand. For any problem, you can ask me. I'm writing the answer for you. Here it will be eat. My brother can reach high self. He. My aunt is a teacher. She. The pen on that table is new. Eat. Sarita plays tennis. Sarita is a good player. She. Very good, Shubro. I think Shubro is writing all the sentence. Yes? Very good. Okay, very good. You should write. You should write. Those who are not writing, I'm feeling bad for them because in the exam you need to give the answer in full sentence. Replace means you need to write in exam that the dog is cute, it has a long tail. Like this you have to write in the exam. Don't think that in SA1 exam you will write only eat, he, she and you will get full number. You have to write the full sentence. What happened, Poshita? Unmute your device. Unmute your device, Poshita. Unmute your device, Poshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you unmuting? Unmute your muting. Unmute your device. I want to talk to you, Poshita. Unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you muting your device continuously? Are you saying anything?
No, ma'am.
Then why are you giving this type of expression that you are getting irritated? No, don't be sorry. I don't know what is the reason, but I think you are getting irritated too much that you don't want to do the classwork. Any problem is there?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And look at your hair. What is the condition of your hair? Okay, let it be. Very good, Shorish. Very good. Jishan. Riddhima. Okay, very good. Devarpon. Completed. Completed or not? Completed. Okay. Maria Mubasir. Okay. Ritan. Adrita. Very good. Abhinav Shaurjo. Jewel. Shubham. Okay. We'll give you another worksheet. Okay, very good. Molisha. Cap Malik. Okay. Ashif. Completed. Afrin. Okay. Monojit, Ognidipta. Okay, okay. Take your time. No problem. Aishman, Ognidipta completed? I think no. Unmute your device.
Yes,
Completed?
ma'am. No.
No, okay, okay. Do fast. Do fast. Aishman, okay. Adrita, okay, Adrita, very good. Tabasum, okay, very good. Shomudeep, okay, only good. Why only good? Because I think you have written all the answers. Yes? Okay. But keep in mind in the exam time, for this type of a question, you have to write that Sarita plays tennis. She is a good teacher. Okay. Try to write the answer in full sentence. That will be better. Okay, Shomodeep, good. Mahir, completed. Toshita completed. Mopuli, what happened? Nothing. Completed. Ridhan, okay. Writing only answer and you are talking with someone else. Why? Look at Ada, look at Vedasita, look at Upama, look at Shubro. They are not talking. They never talk in the class. They just focus on their classwork and they do everything. Ridhan, okay. Those who have written the answer with question, very, very good for them. But those who have written only answer, only good. Ankit, Ankit, show me your copy. Very, very good. Very good. Achha, Samiha. Sami, okay, very, very good. Ashif. Okay, very good. Isha. Shruti. Very, very good. Very good. Shreyan Shanchari. Only answer or with questions? Okay, good. Adrija Dhawa, Upama. Okay. Achha, I hope everyone has completed. Maulisha, Shubro, very, very good. Maulisha completed? Okay. Okay, now drop your hand. Drop your hand, all of you, because I'm not Shruti not completed. Vedasrita. Okay, good. Drop your hand. Now, one by one, all of you drop your hand. Meaning words mean verb. So we have to choose the correct verb for our subject. Okay? So let me do it for you. If you don't understand, I know you can do it, but still. See, sun. The first word is sun. We know that sun shines. Sun shines. Okay? Acha. You can also write the word stars, stars twinkle, stars twinkle. Wind, wind blows, wind blows. Bells, bells ring. These worksheets are very helpful. As much as possible, as many worksheets you will practice, you will learn more and more. Do this. I'm doing this for you, Mariam. Acha, rain. Rain, we know that rain falls. Rain falls. You can also write like this. Write the word and after that it's matching word. That star shines, wind blows, bells ring, rain falls. Like this you can also write. Clouds. Clouds float. Float mean hasha. Lions. Lions roar. Clocks. In the exam, you will get any 5 doing words among this worksheet. Any 5 from this worksheet. Mean doing word worksheet, you will get any 5. So now you are doing 12. So clocks. Clocks tick. Tick tock, tick tock. Snakes. Hish. Flowers bloom. Baby crawls. Crawls mean hamaguri. In Bengali, we call it. Last one, birds. Chirp. CHIRP. Okay. So you can also write like this. In this way, you can also write. See, in this way, you can also write. I'm giving you one example. You can also write that sun shines. Like this, you can also write. Stars twinkle. Okay, because as you are standard 1A, so in standard 1A, straight matching is not allowed. In standard 1A, straight matching is not allowed because most of the cases we found that student made student never don't draw the line properly. In that case, we can't understand that which word is the answer. So it is better to write like this in the exam time also. Okay, for matching, you can do like this, or else you can do like this, that one E shines. Like this you can do. So is it clear to you? In the exam also, don't do straight matching. Don't do straight matching. Do like this. Do like this in the exam. Okay, okay. Just okay, Shubham, good. Sun shines, stars twinkle, wind blows, bells ring, rain falls, clouds float, lions roar, clocks tick, snakes hiss, flower bloom, baby crawls, birds chirp. Samiha, yes.
বার্ডস কি করে জানো, বার্ডস এর আওয়াজটা
Samiha,
খুবই
yes, say.
ডুইং ওয়ার্ডস এখানে লিখে রাখি, ডুইং।
Samiha, you are not writing. I can see that. You are not writing. Shubhro, very good. Upama, Isha, excellent. Excellent. Tabassum, wow. Students, see in your class, half of the students are writing by their own. And there are few students who are not writing by their own. Parents are doing for them. Don't do that. Very good, Tabassum. Very good, Upama. Upama, show me your copy. Okay, very good. So, Tabassum, in the exam time, don't do straight matching, okay? Do like this. Sunshine, star twinkle for any type of matching, okay? Because what happened when you, sometime we found that while student draw a line, they don't, sometime it erase. That's why better to write the words. Very good, Samiha. Isha, completed? Not okay. Paban, Jishan. Okay, good. Ankit? Ankit completed? Okay. Very good. Shruti? Yes, yes. Very, very good. Very good. This is what I was saying. Absolutely. Very good. Acha, Shubhro? Yes. Very, very good. Very good. After sun, yes, yes. Very, very good. Shorish? Okay. Mariam? Audrita? Good. Mopoli? Okay. Vedasrita? Shomodeep? Ognidipta? Riddhima? Okay, very good. Afrin? Riddhima? Ognidipta completed? Tell me, completed or not? Okay, very, very good. Okay. Riddhima? Okay, very good. Sufyan completed? Sufyan completed? Vedasrita? Very good. Jewel? Sufyan completed or not? Show me your copy, Sufyan. Okay. Molisha, Debarpon, Mahir, Mubassir. Shruti. Acha, Poshita, Shubham, Adrija, Ayushman. What happened? Did I say that you can keep off the video? Did I say? Shruti completed or should I repeat? Completed. Show me your copy. Yes, you showed me. Okay. Ayushman, very good. Poshita, okay, very good. Okay.